the thing that drives me nuts when I'm working on the desk, did you call your customer? No, I didn't call them, but I text them. Sometimes you just got to call the people. I don't think there's a good replacement for a phone call yet. I love AI. I love text. I love email. It's not a replacement, though, to the actual phone call. Until AI can just sell cars, they don't even need us anymore, we got to pick up the phone. And I told you guys I started selling cars when I was 18. And we had an unsold showroom traffic log in front of us. We didn't have internet leads and stuff. It was 1999. And my manager, when I first started, before the guy that came in and trained me, he would say, get on the phone, call the customers, and just bring them in. And I would dial people up off this unsold showroom traffic log. The phone would be ringing, and the entire time I'd be going like this. Don't answer. Please don't answer. God, just have the power go out. Please, don't answer. Don't answer. And why did I not want the customer to answer? Because I didn't know what. I didn't know what to say. And sometimes the customers would answer. I'd get so nervous, I would just hang up the phone. He wasn't there again a lot, right? But then I got a call guide. And I was like, all right, I'm just going to read this call guide. And at least if it doesn't work, I'm not going to feel like a moron. I needed a call guide to kind of give me the scaffolding. And once I got the call guide, then I got pretty dang good on the phone. Have a call guide for every single call you make or take. It's a guide, not a script. In our very first one here, and then I'll call some customers live.